I recently received some projects to upload, and they were all saved together, which was nice, and they were saved as project files, which was also nice. And so uploading them in BTT Writer is actually pretty easy. However, there were a couple of issues that I ran into, and I'd like to show you how I fixed them so that we can avoid them in the future. The first thing is, you can see I've worked through these already, but all of the projects I received were classed as ULB. The reason for that is here in the settings. You can see that on my system I have Gateway Language Mode turned off. Let me turn it on here. Now when I create a new project, I'm given a choice of creating it in Unlocked Literal Bible or Unlocked Dynamic Bible. Those are the only choices I have. So I'm going to choose ULB. And now when I go back to my home screen, you can see I've got this 2 Corinthians project, and the type is text ULB. Well, English Demo isn't a gateway language, it's a mother tongue, and so it shouldn't be categorized as ULB. That makes bookkeeping problems. So I'm going to come back here, go to my settings, turn off Gateway Language Mode, and now when I create a project, you saw that I didn't have the choice of what kind of project it was going to be. That's because if you're not in Gateway Language Mode, it's automatically a text project, a regular project. All right, so that's great. How do I fix the project that I already had? So here I've got this 2 Corinthians text ULB in English Demo 1. How do I make that a regular project? I go to the Details tab, and where it says Resource Type, I click Change. Now I have the choice of making it a regular project. So now that one's ready to go. All right, let's look at one of these projects. I've got Colossians coming up here next. So I'm going to click on the Details tab, and I'm going to change the resource type to regular. However, there was something else that I noticed. The translators' names aren't here. That's going to make bookkeeping more difficult later on when Translation Services wants to record who owns the copyright on this translation, who actually did the work. There are other papers that have that information, we hope. But if we store that in the manifest, that makes it easier for everyone concerned. The way we can do that is by going to the project review here, clicking on contributors, and then adding the name of the translator. We have to check this box and then click Add Contributor. I'm not going to do that right now because this is a live project and I don't want to add the translator name to it, but that's how we do it. Okay, then last but not least, I click on the details, go here to Upload or Export, Upload to Server, and because I was already logged in, it uploads it to my account. And the larger books take longer, and if you have a slow internet connection, that'll also take longer. Okay, great. Now I have this URL. I can copy it directly from here, or I can click on it and open it in a web browser, and then I can copy it to put in my report so that I can report where I uploaded it. I hope this recording has been helpful and that it will make us all better technicians.